Alright, so I got a bunch of packages this week I gotta open up, and I haven't done it yet because I've been too busy entertaining the hand over there. But let's take these down first, so we can not look like this the whole video, where I look like this. Alright, now I can see us better now. There he is. It's not just a hand anymore. My camera isn't tall enough for you.
I'll stand way back here.
Sweet. That doesn't make it awkward in any way. But yeah, I just grab a package and start opening up one by one. See what we got. I haven't been able to open up any of these packages because I've been showing this guy around. Jesus Christ. I've been showing him around town. He does have a channel.
That's true. You probably won't find it if you search for it though.
It's like positive energy over there.
If you have the Ray-Ban Meta glasses, you'll find it.
There you go. It's a selfie stick thing. I have opened one of these. I did a video on one of these before, but this one's supposed to be better because it's supposed to auto close.
Were you sponsored by KNF Concept?
I know, it seems like it, right? I got a lot of their stuff.
I like their stuff. Why didn't they send me? That could be used as a weapon.
Dude, this is... What?
I think you just have to push it instead of bouncing it.
Am I doing this wrong?
Partially, I was doing it. Oh, I see.
Oh, you're supposed to like... Okay, no, the other one's better, man. This one's much better. Because this one, you just like tap it, then it opens up.
Whoa.
This one's so much better.
Wait, I want to try that one. Comparison. That one was faster.
Yeah, but this one's easier to actually pick up, though. Yeah, it doesn't... You gotta manually close it. I'm not sponsored by KNF, so you can say what you want.
I like the brand. I don't know if I like this, but...
I thought this was the one from Mr. Beast, but...
Oh, that'd be cool.
I really don't know what this is.
Oh.
It's a power bank we tested out earlier over in Baltimore. Oh, they did send me another one. Here's the other one.
Oh.
Yeah, so I'm actually going to be giving that one away when I review this thing, which will be in a different video, so... Power bank for your Pocket 3. It's alright.
I thought you liked that one more than the other one.
I did, but like, it could be better. It's alright.
Don't enter the giveaway. I'll be entering it.
Yeah, this is a TeamWater shirt from Mr. Beast.
TeamWater, baby.
Yeah, I am actually giving away, I don't know if you know, but I'm giving away a hoodie and my Beast Game shirt in my giveaways. So
sorry, I
for this guy. Yeah, I'm giving away a hoodie and my Beast Game shirt for this month in August actually, and I'm giving away a video, an item every video of this month. So I'm giving away at least 8 items plus my Beast Game shirt and my TeamWater hoodie.
Nice.
You can't have the shirt. I don't have a shirt like this, so you can't have this. It's mine.
At least you already have another Beast Game shirt?
I know. That's not the only one.
Why are you giving it away then?
Yeah,
it's a souvenir, or is it too much trauma for you?
But it was too much trauma. And here's my hoodie too.
Is that like his business or something?
TeamWater, that's his donation thing for this month.
Oh.
Clean up water. He's trying to raise, I said 40 million. Does that sound right? He's doing it with Mark Rober.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. This is my electronic suction cup.
You ever get worried that they can like see all the crypto you own in every video by looking at your watch? What does it say? You're up $700,000?
Dude,
oh my goodness.
Dude, I'm down right now. Everything is down right now. I wish I was up. I wouldn't be making this video. It's a very diesel suction cup.
Whoa, that's the biggest suction cup I've ever seen.
And just... What? Oh, dude. That was silent.
Oh my goodness, what the heck? You can mount to anywhere there, right? As long as it's flat?
Yeah.
That's pretty crazy, honestly. How many $100 that cost?
This is $90 for one. Because normally you'd use something like this, but you'd want 4.
I would not normally use something like that, man. That thing's enormous.
It's a solar powered too, so you won't get stuck if your battery runs out.
Can you charge it manually?
You can, yeah.
Oh yeah, so
yeah.
It's better. Yeah. The shirt? No, it's a bag.
Oh, this is a backpack.
Oh, I see. It starts small and becomes bigger. So usually I just buy new backpacks when I get somewhere.
No, you can just pack it in your bag. The problem is, can I get it back in there later?
Maybe.
Can I get it back in there? Normal people, yeah. Can I get it back in there later?
Oh, shoot, that was too fast. There's a bunch of camera lenses over there.
It's alright, it's because there's a couple $1,000 lenses in.
Ah.
I got a lot of stuff for Ulanzi too. This is bag in a bag in a bag. This is like their tech pouch thing.
your pocket in there.
Your tech stuff. Yeah, you can put your pocket in there. I think it's marketed for the pocket. After I review this, this will be going out to someone else. So I'm giving this. I know I'm giving this away.
Hopefully that's not the. I can't see it on camera.
That's a charging base station thing for your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods.
Wait, don't you have one of those over there? That looks exactly the same.
They're supposed to send me another one to review. They sent me this. They're asking me to review this instead. This will probably go to someone also once I'm done reviewing this.
So you are reviewing it.
I am reviewing it.
So this bait and switch works.
Yeah, it did work. They got me. You get this many packages like for your channel?
No.
Right.
No, I don't get that many.
This is a wireless HD transmitter. I honestly don't know too much about this, but
Yeah, I don't know. You'll have to test that out.
okay. So what's one of this channel? Battery charger.
All the llano stuff.
Yeah.
They sent me this, the batteries, and then they never sent me anything again.
Yeah, 'cause you're-
Actually, they sent me this.
Dual battery charger. That's funny because I have the triple battery charger up here. See, look at this. All from the llano. Look at that. Sponsor me, llano. Stop just giving me stuff. Sponsored by llano. But it's not.
I can't remember if they paid me or not.
Are they supposed to pay you or?
I can't remember.
And over here we have a flash from Zeniko. Actually, I have another one here.
It's small.
But this will also be going away as a giveaway at some point.
It's dead.
You can do a test flash on it. Or not. No, it's there it is.
Oh, it's for like pictures.
Yeah.
I thought it was for videos.
Oh no, that would be useful. Thanks for downplaying my product there. But yeah, this will be going away as a giveaway at some point also. This has to be my wallets from the UK. The one I said I was never going to do again. And then they said, we'll give you some wallets. Like, all right.
Did you make a video about the first time?
I did. Oh, yeah. I did this one. It's a different brand, but I did this wallet. And they're like, can you do more? Can you do ours?
But how hard is it to grab the front?
It sucks. That's why you put your most used one in the back. But yeah, this company said, we like your wallet video, so they sent me 2 more. I'm actually going to give one of these away. I'm going to keep one, honestly. This one is a MagSafe wallet.
Wait, so this brand sent you to like your wallet video about a different brand wallet?
Yeah. I'm going to review them both, and then one of them will go away as a giveaway at some point.
Nice.
Yeah, StartRC really like my stuff too.
A lot of things.
Yeah, this is from StartRC. I did a Pocket 3 video for them a while back. Like, I feel like for the Pocket 3.
Yeah, why? I'm selling out products for companies and they're not sending me stuff.
There's a light for the DJI Flip, filters for the DJI Flip. It's a little cartoon character for my Insta360, a magnet mount, a charging case for the Action 5. Yeah, so StartRC sent all this to me. Most of these are probably going to go away also for giveaways. Not in one package. Oh god, that's a terrible idea.
Well, no, if you do this.
That's going to be one of yours. If it's broken, go to his channel, make him pay for it. This is from Mosiso or something like that. This is also going to go giveaway. When I review this chair, actually, I still need to review that chair right there.
The one that you've been sitting in for months?
Yeah, the one they've been emailing me for like the past month and a half about this video. And I haven't made. I'm so sorry. Willax S9. It's a dope chair. I like that chair, but I'm so sorry. I'm working on it. Watch that video, win this bag, and some accessories with this bag too. So yeah, this is this is still like a $600 projector though. Yeah, this is the Boom Mini from Aurzen.
Aurzen. Oh, Aurzen.
Yeah, thanks man.
Actually, I've heard of that brand before.
Yeah, it's supposed to be a good brand. This is their smaller version of their Boom 3, something like that. It's supposed to be really good. You have a screen, don't you?
I have a screen, but the only review of the projector I have, I just have like a 12-foot white wall with nothing.
Yeah, but I don't have that. Maybe.
You have your curtain thing. Do it outside on the side of a building if you want.
Thank you.
If you don't want it, you can send it. What a weird box.
This is actually a Kickstarter item for the Mac Mini.
They just saw your entire address.
Send me some stuff if you saw my address. I'd like free stuff. No, but this is the docking station for the Mac Mini. It's like a mini monitor with a hub with like a bunch of ports on the front and back to expand your Mac Mini, which I don't own a Mac Mini. I told them I had a Mac Mini. They said they'll send it to me to review.
Well, Amazon has graceful return periods.
This is not Amazon. This is he's talking about the Mac Mini. The video will probably be like up in a week or two. Honestly, I got to make this video faster because it's a Kickstarter item. You don't like Kickstarter.
Place your bets down below for when the video will be up. I like some Kickstarter stuff. I don't think you should expect it to ever receive the item.
This is one of those fans again, like the one we were playing with earlier. How you put it or this thing?
Oh, is that another one of the fans?
Yeah, but it's from Nitecore. Nitecore sent me a bunch of power banks and fans to review.
How the hell?
You're not making this product look good, man.
It's on. It turned on for a second. It said it was full, and then it turned off.
Thank you, Nitecore. Figure that out later, man. It's gotta be something. We're at these now? Jeez. All right, so NearStream is one of my new brand sponsors. No, NearStream
is near to your heart.
Is near to my heart. I'm an ambassador for NearStream, and they sent me a whole bunch of stuff. This box, that box you can't see, and that box you also can't see.
They're there.
This one's all jacked up when it opened up, so hopefully nothing's missing. I emailed them and said, hey, this box is jacked up. They're like, should be fine. So if anything's missing, NearStream, I'm opening this live right now, so we're about to find out. Let's see what's down first.
That's just a box with a bunch of other boxes.
Yeah, they loaded these up. They told me.
There's a lot of boxes
here. This is a mic stand. We should have like 4 mic stands. Mic stand. Mic stand.
Oh, they're all the same?
Mic stand.
Oh my goodness. How many microphones do you have?
They sent me 4 microphones.
Oh.
We got a bunch of XLR cables. They sent me 1, 2, 4 light stands, camera stands.
Stands of something.
Stands for something. They sent me 4 of those.
I don't know, but they're stable.
And we got audio mixers. They sent me 2 audio, at least in this box, there's 2 audio mixers.
Hey man, you could be a music producer and a lighter
That's all
and a podcaster at the same time with all this equipment.
Well, here's the other NearStream box. This doesn't say NearStream, does it? It does not.
No.
All right, we should open it anyways. But more stuff that they sent me.
Oh, dang. Yeah, that box has a bunch of boxes.
Yeah, we got a mic here. Oh, we got 1 mic there. We got another mic here. 2 more mics here.
4 microphones.
Yep. Some cameras here. Sent me, which one's this? This is the VM20s. We got some wireless microphones here also. Is that on?
The DJI mics?
Is this on camera? They look similar to them.
The DJI mics.
They actually sent me a 4th camera somewhere over there earlier. So it actually should be 4 cameras. And this one actually does say NearStream. Oh no.
That's not a good thing to say when unboxing a ambassador product.
No, it's a lot to set up. This is the backdrop thing.
Why
so
is that? Oh no.
I'm lazy to set it. I don't know. I don't want to set this up right now. Here's the green screen itself. This is the light. This is the background stand, right? Well, I don't know what this is. Video lights. Thank you, NearStream. It's so bad. I gotta work on these videos, huh? That's everything, right?
That's just this week?
That's just this week. I am behind on making these videos. I tried to put at least like 2 a week.
Comment down below if you should do 1 a day for 30 days.
Let's not do that. But you can. Some of these will be given away once I'm done making these videos for him. He's gonna pick the giveaway for today, this video. Yeah,
Out of all this stuff?
No, not this stuff yet. At all. That stuff back there. Some stuff over there.
All right, projector.
Someone's about to win a projector. I'm entering that one. But yeah, that's it for this one. Let's pick out the giveaway for the quick segment right after this. See ya.